Here's how to wipe the cache partition on your Samsung phone. Now, the first thing you need to do on your phone is turn it off. I can press and hold that power button, and you can see I can choose to power it off. Now, this only works if you've unlocked your phone, and if you haven't unlocked your phone, it won't work. So let's say if I lock my phone and I press and hold that side button, you'll be able to see as I press and hold and I hit power off, it'll ask for that PIN number. So you can do this if you've unlocked it, but let's say you don't know that PIN number. You can also do it just by pressing and holding the volume down and power button. This will reboot your phone, and then immediately we can get into safe mode. So I'll show you how to do that as well. So let's just get out of here, and I'll press and hold the volume down and power button. I'm going to press it until I see the entire screen go black. After I see the screen go black, I'll be able to get into power mode by pressing the volume up and the power button. So again, the volume up and the power button once your phone is completely off. Press and hold those until you see your phone boot up in recovery mode. So you'll be able to see Samsung Galaxy here, and there's Android recovery. So again, once your phone turns off, press the volume up and the power button until you get to recovery mode. After you've done that, you can see Reboot System Now, Apply Update, and I can go to Wipe Cache Partition. Now, I'm going to use the volume up and volume down to move around on this menu, and to select it, I can hit the power button here. So I can tap on that, and it says Wipe the cache, this cannot be undone. Keep in mind, this isn't bad for your Samsung or Android phone. You can just go through the process. It just deletes out a lot of temporary files and is good to do every once in a while. So to go through this process, I'm going to use the volume down slider to go to yes, and then hit the power button to choose it. You can see at the very bottom, it says wiping cache, formatting cache, cache wipe complete, cache wipe complete. Now, all you need to do is choose the Reboot System Now. So toggle up to the Reboot System Now and hit the power button, and it will completely restart your Samsung phone after wiping out all that cache.